Good evening, everyone. Just doing a quick live update of our showers and thunderstorms that are approaching the region. As you can see, we're not seeing much in the way of severe thunderstorm notifications here from our WeatherTap radar. Our warm front is slowly pushing to the north, and our cold front's following right behind it, leading to the threat for very heavy downpours. Now, why aren't we seeing much in the way of severe weather? Well, it all comes back to the vertical wind shear. This right here will tell us whether or not we're going to see thunderstorms turning in the atmosphere and supporting that potential for severe thunderstorms. And as I discussed this morning for premium members, we'll be watching to see if the wind knots in the effective bulk wind shear would get up to 35 or higher. And as you can see, that has remained out in the Atlantic Ocean, and for the most part over our neck of the woods, it has been below 35, anywhere between 15 to 20, at times pushing up to 25 knots. Really isn't all that strong for the development of severe thunderstorms. And also, the instability in the atmosphere has been, well, less than favorable for that severe thunderstorm threat. You can see that the strongest instability in the atmosphere is to the south of the forecast area, basically around the Delmarva Peninsula on southward. Now, the one thing we are going to be keeping an eye on will be the heavy rainfall. This is precipitable water values. This tells us how much moisture is in the atmosphere. And when you get up to this level, well, there's quite a bit. Now, your tropical level, let's say if we were dealing with tropical systems, would be over 2 inches, this area right here. We're not up to that point, but we're awfully close, getting up to about 1.8, 1.9, right on the edge here in the southern Delmarva Peninsula. So let's just say as this warm front and cold front is lifting through, we'll range anywhere between 1.5 and 1.8 inches, and that will support very heavy rainfall. And that is exactly what we have been seeing with this area of rainfall lifting up through the region for this afternoon and for the evening hour, just in time for the evening rush hour. And that rainfall is producing areas of flash flooding, as you can see, around portions of Delaware and starting to push into the Delmarva Peninsula, or should I say the Delaware River Valley, and also around the I-95 corridor. Exactly what they need after that major accident, fire, collapse of a roadway. I mean, it's just perfect. Now you're going to throw in heavy rainfall for your evening rush hour. So definitely use some caution with this heavy rainfall. And because it's been so dry, a lot of this rainfall may not get into the ground very easily. It might not get into what we call the water table. So don't be surprised if a lot of your topsoil gets washed off and you start to see flash flooding. And also with the pavement having oil on the ground from your cars and whatnot, that could also make for additional slick roadways. So definitely watch out for the potential for hydroplaning as this heavy rainfall is moving through, along with poor visibility. This rainfall will continue to lift through the region, and we'll use this small guidance right here. This is the HRR guidance. And as you can see here, our rainfall will lift through this evening, continue to remain heavy, and clear the region as we head towards midnight. So this evening, if you have any plans, use some caution as this rain will be heavy at times. That is our live chat for this hour. If anything changes, of course, I will update. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.